Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Lovable to Squarespace. First, open the Lovable dashboard and log in using your account credentials. Then, make sure that your Lovable plan supports Squarespace integration before proceeding. Next, log into your Squarespace account. After that, go to Settings and navigate to the Advanced section. Look for external services or integrations and check for options like custom code or API integrations. Now, go back to the Lovable dashboard and navigate to the Integration sections. Select Squarespace and copy the JavaScript tracking code or API key provided. Then return to Squarespace, go to Settings, open the Advanced section, and select Code Injection. Paste the Lovable tracking code into the header or footer section and save the changes. After that, go back to the Lovable dashboard and verify the integration. Check whether your Squarespace site data is being tracked correctly, and test it by performing a sample event or visiting a page on your website. Finally, customize events, triggers, or forms inside Lovable as needed. Make sure that all changes are properly reflected on your Squarespace site and are functioning correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.